Hello dear students, I am your computer teacher from Golden Public School and this is your computer class. So today we will discuss our chapter number 2 which is managing files and folders in Windows 10. So without wasting any time let's start. So as you can see, a computer is a machine that cannot think on its own and require instruction from us. The most important software of a computer is its operating system. It is a medium through which we can interact with the hardware using software. It controls all the activity of a computer system. So as we know, computer is a dumb machine. So to interact with the computer system and to give the instruction to a computer system, we need a software. So operating system is the software which helps us to interact with the computer system. It is the most important system software which makes all the hardware and software parts run in a computer system. So let's discuss about some operating systems. So there are various type of operating systems such as Windows, Linux, Unix. So these are some most widely used operating system and most important operating system. Windows is a very easy to use operating system which works on graphical user interface. So let's learn about Windows operating system. So Windows is a graphical user interface or GUI, which is also pronounced as GUI, between a computer and its user. It means Windows make a graphical user interface between computer and the user so that the user can easily interact with the computer system. It has been developed by Microsoft, the world's leading software company. Let's discuss some features of Windows 10. As we know, Windows 10 is the latest version of Windows operating system. So the first GUI version of Windows operating system was Windows 1.0. Since then, many versions of Windows operating system have been released. The most popular versions of Windows are Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows ME, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10. Windows 10 is the latest operating system of Windows. The Windows 10 operating system has become very popular because of its following features. So let's take a look of some useful features of Windows 10. First one is attractive and easy to use. Second one is improved start menu. Third one is search tool. Fourth one is supports multiple desktop. Fifth one is Windows snapping. Sixth, new browser which is known as Microsoft Edge browser. And last one is Windows Store. So these are some useful features of Windows 10 which makes Windows a great operating system. So in next video we will learn about all the features in detail. So as you can see, this is the interface of Windows 10. This screen is known as desktop screen. There are some images. The images are known as icons. There is a button which is known as start button, and there is a bar which is known as taskbar. So this is the complete interface of Windows 10. So that is it for today. Thank you so much, students.